Yeah, just take Cora off and let's see her swim. Hi, Cora. Yeah. It's a swimming pup. Watch the liner, Jake.
What?
Oh, she didn't go to the liner. Good.
Okay.
No, keep her in. Swim back. Huh? He's fine, I'm watching. Just swim. Hi, baby. She likes the pool now. Go put her back on the raft. No, put her on the raft. Let her relax. She is. Take Griffin off and let me see him. Yeah? Hey, Griffy, you want to go swimming too? Hi, baby. Yeah, there's Griffy swimming.
Ready?
Yep.
You got him?
Yep. Swim. Swim, Griff.
Oh, that's a good swim.
Oh, who's such a good boy.
Okay.
All right, you want to go back on the raft?
No. You're going to come in and watch him.
Yeah. I'm coming in too.
Okay.
Our babies. Oop, oop, oop. Cora, lay down.
She went out.
Okay. No, she's fine now. Lay down. Lay down, Cora. Lay down. Lay down. You'll be fine if you lay down. Somebody's gonna fall. Lay down. All right, take Griffy off of there. Griffy.
Ready, set, go.
Okay.